Hi, this is day 3. Actually, it's the third week because we have jobs. This is mostly a passion of mine. So we're quite finished and we run the tests and it's working pretty well uh, for an average garden, of course. And I will guide you through all the steps that we did. I first started with aluminum poles. Sadly, those are just a bit too thin and they curved a little, as you can see. However, they are weather resistant and offer a longer lifetime than the concrete poles, which tend to chip and wear out from the elements. If I should do this again, I would probably choose 6 by 6 centimeter section size of the aluminum poles. For the moment, they will do. The wires are mounted on wire stretchers at one end and fixed at the other end. I am planning to have 4 rows of wire. However, if I need to, I can install the fifth for better climb. There is one wire stretcher mounted on the counter tension wire at the end of each row. Those ensure that the poles don't bend inward. As a lesson learned, the anchor of the counter tension wire should be inserted in the ground at an obtuse angle so that it offers a better grip. With the poles and the stretchers in place, we mounted the zinc wires. Those are 2 millimeters thick and are great for the job. Since my rows are short, I use only 3 poles per row. I use this setup for reasons of cost, efficiency and good looks. The rules of the thumb is to use intermediate poles whenever you feel a bigger gap might make your wire too solicited. You can go for a long wire which need fewer stretchers, but from experience, if it breaks, it is more costly to replace. For the last part, I hang the dripping system on the zinc wires and secure them with zip ties. The dripping system is hung so that the plowing and clearing of the soil should not endanger the hose. This is done to avoid accidents like cutting or slashing it. At the start of the row, the main distribution hose connects with the row with a T-joint while suspended on top of the poles. This way, the whole system never touches the ground. Some of the work shown here was done in the previous year, but nevertheless more than 50% of what you see was done in those 3 days. I made a short video for each day, you can find it in the playlist. There is still the fourth wire to be installed on each row, but this will take a couple of hours. For the upcoming days I have to begin the work of the soil as the grass grew a lot. Once the soil is clear, the last operation will be planting the cuttings which I took last year from the existing grapevines. The grapevine is just a part of this average garden, and since spring is here already, I have to start the work in the greenhouse and the outdoor veggie plots. We will explore together all the work done here and more. It's beautiful to watch a garden grow, and it's very satisfying when you harvest your work. If you like this video, please like and or leave a comment down below. If you're not subscribed, consider doing so as it motivates me to do more videos like this. Gabi, signing out.